Welcome to Biology and Bioengineering Summer Camp, BBSC 2021.
All right, so I'm just going to give you an overview of the summer camp activities which we have scheduled for you. So we are going to have three plenary talks. Today we are going to have Professor Graham Ball from Nottingham Trent University. We are going to have Professor George Church from Harvard University. And Professor Mary, she's going to talk to us from North Carolina State University, US. Additionally, we have invited several distinguished invited guests. We have Professor Anil Kumar from IIT Bombay. He will talk to us today. We have Dr. Amit Dutt from Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai. Dr. Amit Vash from Amgen, USA. Professor Rahul Purwar from IIT Bombay. And we are going to have various clinicians who are going to share their clinical perspective with all of you. So we are going to have today with us Dr. Jayanti Shastri. We are going to have Dr. Ali Asgar Moyadi tomorrow with us, and Dr. Om Shrivastava on Wednesday. Additionally, we have also invited some of the Young Scientist Award winners. Mr. Suhal, he's going to talk to us today. Nikia, she's going to talk to us tomorrow, and Rutik will talk on Wednesday. So these are the 3 days activity which we have scheduled for you. As Professor Chaudhary rightly mentioned, that just listen variety of these sessions and try to do as much hands-on activity as we suggest you to do that. You never know that at which point in your career, what may give you the right motivation to do something very new. So please just be unbiased and explore yourself and try to go through all these content which we have prepared for you. Today, major focus will be towards bioengineering for 21st century. Tomorrow we'll have more focus towards precision medicine. And last day, more on the more recent omics technologies, big data, and machine learning. We have conducted 3 tutorial sessions, giving you some insight about certain hands-on activities so that you are well prepared to be participating in this particular summer camp. So as we will be keep going ahead, I'm sure now you will be able to follow the things much easily because you have already been exposed to many of the key concepts. So today's focus is going to be, we have several lectures and sessions planned today. Professor Anil Kumar is going to talk to us immediately after my lecture. We'll show you some short videos and documentaries during the sessions, just to keep you updated and motivated about various activities. We have Suhail with us. He will talk to you about his scientific achievements and projects. Dr. Shastri will talk to you about clinician's perspective. Post lunch, we are going to, so before that, I think, before we finish for lunch, we will have a quiz for all of you. And I'd like to emphasize that please do participate in the quizzes, because the quiz will also serve as your attendance for the activities which you are participating here. So we are going to not only give you the prize and the certificates, but also your participation certificate will also be depend on your participation in the quizzes. We are going to have the first tutorial session post lunch, where we have already given you some exposure. Now we are going to give you much more hands-on experience. We'll be doing certain things, and we would be actually giving you some activities which you can do at your home. And then I'll show you some of the recent videos which all of you have shared for the first competition on the science projects. So that will be exciting to see what all people have done the work and they have submitted their entries. Of course, winners we may not announce right now, but we will show all of the entries what we have received. We'll also have a short cultural break from a previous conference recorded session. And then toward the end of the day, we will have the plenary talk by Professor Graham Ball, who will emphasize about areas of artificial intelligence and machine learning for 21st century biology and bioengineering. Tomorrow we have sessions linked to the precision medicine, starting with Dr. Amit talking about drug discovery workflows. Professor Amit Dutt, he will talk about cancer genomics and precision medicine. Dr. Ali will talk about the need for bioengineering aspect in the brain tumors. And then we have a hands-on tutorial session about drug designing and repurposing. We'll again show some videos of your second competition, what you have submitted. And a plenary talk by Professor George Church, much awaited from Harvard. He's going to talk to us about some of the recent advances in genomics. The third day, we'll talk about some of the more recent innovations in omics technologies. And a plenary talk by Professor Mary will be there. Professor Rahul Parwar will talk to you about cancer immune therapy. We'll have Dr. Om Shrivastava sharing his experience about clinical aspect. Rutik will talk about his scientific projects. And then tutorial will be based on the data analysis and big data machine learning aspect of omics data sets. And finally, we will have the valedictory session to announce all the winners and conclude the session. I'd like to thank our various partners and the event sponsor who is going to give you the prizes for the different quizzes. So Yashraj Biotechnology has graciously supported the event as a sponsor. We have various media partners. We have the Newspaper League of India. We have the START Foundation. They are the media partners of this event. We have various outreach partners who have really spread the word about this activity, from the NPTEL, Royal Society of Chemistry, Human Proteome Organization. So we're very thankful to all of these sponsors and partners who have generously helped us to plan this particular event. And of course, without saying, thanks goes to IIT Bombay and all of our colleagues and director for wonderfully supporting this particular event.